Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Minecraft Steve. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners, okay? So we're going to do the line art for him. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker. And paper-wise, I'm using simple printer paper, okay? That's what I'm using. You can sit and watch me. Kind of a cool feeling, right? To watch it and chill out, kick back. Or you can do it with me, all right? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the box shape for his head. As far as what to use, by the way, you can use anything. Doesn't have to be a marker. You can use a pencil or pen. I'm going to pull a line across over here very gradually and straight. Going to pull straight down over here. Minecraft is an awesome game where you can pretty much create your own world. It's just kind of exciting to do that sort of thing. Pulling down. It kind of creates like a big escape, at least for me. For me, when I do stuff, I kind of do it to escape the real world, and it feels pretty neat to do that. All right, so we got that one side of the block. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here at an angle. I'm going to actually make that a little bit longer. And then I'm going to pull that straight down. Just up and down, straight down. And I'm going to connect these two bottom lines. So right now we have a cube shape, right? We see two sides of a cube. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw his torso, his arm, his other arm, right? So let's do that. I'm going to draw a line over here first, down. Okay, so I'm going to extend that over here. And I'm going to draw a line that's the same as this line right here, okay? On this side. Yeah, right there. Okay, now I'm going to connect them. All right. Going to go over here. Draw a line at just at an angle as well, just at an angle, because I want it to, it's like the side plane, and then another line straight down. Imagine a French fry, like a giant thick French fry, and that's kind of what his arm looks like. I try to think of like metaphors of what things look like so they're easier, right? So if I tell you a giant French fry, that's a lot better than a line over here. Line over here. Right? That's a big old French fry of an arm. Okay. Go over here. Maybe a little bit around this area, right? Not all the way to the edge. A little bit before the edge of that box. And I'm going to pull straight down. Woo! Dang. Pull that paper back. I'm going to make it a little bit longer, too, because I'm drawing the entire length of his front of his body here into his pants and his legs, okay? And I'm going to pull a cross over here. And then I'm going to go over here toward the middle of that French fry, right? And I'm going to find where that big box is coming from behind there. Pull down. I'm thinking of like a big old package that arrived from Amazon or something, right? That's kind of what I think about. Also, don't forget, I know we're going to make a little pause. Hit that subscribe. If you like, Minecraft drawings, hit the like. Hit that like if you really like Minecraft drawings, because I want to draw more of what you want. And if you hit the like button, then I'll know. I'll like, oh, okay, cool. Minecraft is a big thing. That's why I only do one Minecraft drawing like every couple of months, because nobody, I don't know, it doesn't get as many views. But if there's enough interest in it, like with likes, I'll do it. Gonna go over here, but yeah, also hit the subscribe if you do like this kind of stuff. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna angle my box back a little bit, like up at an up angle here, and then I'm going to draw a straight line up and down again. So there's a lot of up and down, right? Like completely up and down. Let's draw the far side arm. So this, but on that far side. Draw over here. Go over here on this side. See these two French fry arms over here on the far side. Down. Down over here. Down over here. Back of that box. And pulling up. That French fry. That giant French fry. Alright, I'm going to stop saying French fry. It's bugging me. So let's draw. Okay, so now we have our base. We have our blocks. Our base of this of Steve. Of Minecraft Steve. So now we're going to draw a line across here. The easy ones. Boom. Line across. So that separates his shirt from his pants. Straight line down. Right? For his legs. Straight line across over here at the bottom for his shoe line. Bam. And then we're going to draw back as well over here at that same angle as this. So we got his shoes on, right? We're doing good. Doing good. Stay with me. Come on. Let's do it. I'm going to do his sleeves. Right there. See, that line's going to be the same angle as this French fry line. And then I'm going to angle it here. Same angle as that. So let's do his other sleeve in the far end. Easy. Super easy. Stuff is easy. Okay, let's go into his head. His head's going to be relatively easy as well, but maybe a little bit hard. We'll see. So I'm going to draw for eyes, and his eyes are going to be lower than kind of halfway down his head. Like, think about halfway down this box, and below that, we're going to draw his rectangles for eyes. All right. And I'm gonna, and so see that rectangle? Oh, it's rectangle. Yeah, it is a rectangle. See those rectangles for eyes? I'm gonna split those in half. And he's kind of cross-eyed. It doesn't look cross-eyed, but I mean he kind of is. So in between those two boxes, I'm gonna draw another rectangle down there for his nose. All right, rectangle. See that? How I connect it? One. Down. Down. Across. Easy. Easy. Good stuff. Chill. Right? We got it. We got it. All right. Cool. And we're doing another rectangle down for kind of his upper lip. Okay. Line out from that area. Line out. So take a look. Almost like he has a mustache. And I'm going to throw a straight line down on the edges of these. All right. We're almost there. Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay with me, right? It's like a workout. It's like you're working out your drawing muscles, okay? Stay with me here. Endurance. Straight down as well. Continue to go. I'm going to draw another line over here. So now we're drawing that V-neck of a it's not a V-neck. It's like the letter T. But in reality, that's like his open part of his shirt there to show his like manly chest, right? There you go. And we're doing good, right? Again, drawing endurance. Drawing endurance. We're going to draw his hair now. Okay? So he's got like a straight line over here at the top. Down, left. Down, left. Over here, we're going to go to the side of his head, okay? And it's going to be line and an angle, right? Think of this angle right here. See the angle to the top of his head? When I say straight, I mean a straight angle. I meant the angle like this. See that top of that head? All right. Go here, straight up, angle, or you could say straight down. And a bit of a ladder shape. All right. And that is it. That is Minecraft Steve. That is a version of him. Voila. Hopefully you found that easy to do, because I want you to be able to do this If not, hopefully you found it fun to just chill out, kick back, grab some popcorn, and watch, Minecraft Steve come to life. And that is it. I'm going to do more Minecraft. If you want more Minecraft, tell me, or give me the like. Because if you give me the like, it'll help the algorithm out, and then it will tell basically the entire world of YouTube will be like, do more drawing for Minecraft. Okay, let me know. Or if this video bombs and doesn't do well, I'm not going to do anymore. But that's kind of just the idea. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Say hi to me in the comments. Don't forget, pick up that cute drawing ebook if you like cuteness. Cuteness, and everyone does. Okay, if you like cuteness, go to that ebook in the description that I'll put there. Download it. It's completely free for now. Okay, maybe I'm gonna charge for it next year, maybe not. Probably will. And pick it up. Okay, totally free right now. Talk to you later, and I will see you next time.